Choosing the best mirrorless camera in 2026 isn't easy. There are more options than ever, and the differences between them can be confusing, especially when you're spending this much money. But here's the thing. The best camera isn't about specs alone. It's about performance, reliability, and how well it fits your shooting style. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best mirrorless cameras you can buy right now, based on real-world use, image quality, video performance, and overall value. Make sure you stick around, because number 1 is still the go-to choice for professionals and serious creators worldwide. Kicking things off at number 5, we have the Sony A6700. And this camera proves that you don't need a full-frame sensor to get professional results. It features a 26-megapixel APS-C sensor paired with Sony's latest image processing engine, delivering sharp images, excellent dynamic range, and very solid low-light performance for its size. For video, the A6700 is extremely impressive. It shoots 4K at up to 60 frames per second, oversampled from 6K, which means your footage looks incredibly detailed and crisp. You also get 10-bit color, which is a big advantage if you plan on doing color grading in post-production. One of the biggest highlights is its AI-powered autofocus system. It can intelligently track subjects like humans, animals, birds, and even vehicles with outstanding accuracy. This makes it perfect for solo creators who rely on reliable autofocus while filming themselves. You also get in-body image stabilization, a fully articulating screen for vlogging, and a compact, lightweight body that's easy to carry anywhere. Of course, it's not perfect. Being APS-C, it doesn't have the same depth of field or low-light capability as full-frame cameras. But for the price and size, it delivers exceptional performance. If you're a content creator, traveler, or YouTuber who wants a powerful yet portable camera, the A6700 is one of the best options out there. At number 4, we have the Fujifilm X-T5, and this camera is all about photography excellence. It features a 40.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, which is one of the highest resolutions you'll find in this category. That means incredibly detailed images, with plenty of room for cropping without losing quality. But what really sets Fujifilm apart is its color science. The X-T5 includes a range of film simulation modes that replicate classic film stocks, giving your photos a unique, cinematic look straight out of the camera, often without needing heavy editing. In terms of build, the X-T5 has a classic, retro-inspired design with manual dials, which many photographers prefer for a more tactile shooting experience. It's also relatively lightweight, making it great for street photography and travel. It also offers weather sealing, making it reliable in challenging shooting conditions like rain or dust. Battery life has been improved compared to previous models, allowing for longer shooting sessions without frequent interruptions. It does support video, including up to 6.2K recording, and features in-body image stabilization. However, compared to others on this list, it's clearly more focused on photography than video performance. Another advantage is its lens ecosystem. Fujifilm offers a wide range of high-quality APS-C lenses that are generally smaller and more affordable than full-frame options. If your main goal is capturing stunning photos with beautiful colors and high detail, the X-T5 is easily one of the best mirrorless cameras you can buy. Coming in at number 3, the Nikon Z6 III, a camera that strikes a strong balance between photography and video. This camera features a full-frame sensor, giving you better low-light performance, improved dynamic range, and that classic shallow depth of field look that many creators love. Nikon has made major improvements to autofocus here, bringing it much closer to competitors like Sony and Canon. Subject tracking is faster, more reliable, and works well in both photo and video modes. It also introduces improved burst shooting performance, making it more capable for fast-moving subjects like sports and wildlife. Combined with better heat management, it can handle longer recording sessions more comfortably without overheating issues. For video, the Z6 III delivers solid 4K performance, making it a capable choice for hybrid shooters who want to do both photography and videography without compromise. One of Nikon's biggest strengths is ergonomics. The grip is deep and comfortable, the buttons are well placed, and the overall handling feels very natural, especially during long shoots. It also features a bright and responsive electronic viewfinder, which improves accuracy when composing shots in different lighting conditions. Battery life is also respectable, and the camera feels durable and well-built, which adds to its reliability in professional environments. It may not lead in any single category, but it performs consistently well across the board, which is exactly what many users need. If you're looking for a dependable, well-rounded full-frame camera that can handle almost anything, the Z6 III is a great choice. At number 2, we have the Canon EOS R6 Mark II. And this is where things get serious, especially for video creators. This camera features a 24.2 megapixel full-frame sensor that delivers excellent image quality, strong low-light performance, and beautiful color reproduction, something Canon is well known for. When it comes to video, the R6 Mark II really stands out. It can shoot uncropped 4K at 60 frames per second, oversampled for better quality, and supports 10-bit recording for advanced color grading. Canon's dual-pixel autofocus system is one of the best in the industry, offering fast, smooth, and highly accurate subject tracking. Whether you're filming yourself, shooting interviews, or capturing moving subjects, autofocus is incredibly reliable. Another standout feature is its burst shooting speed, up to 40 frames per second using the electronic shutter. That makes it an excellent choice for sports, wildlife, and action photography. You also get in-body stabilization, which helps smooth out handheld footage and improves low-light photography. The only downside for some users might be the lens cost, as Canon RF lenses can be quite expensive, but the performance you get is top tier. If you're focused on video, content creation, or fast-paced shooting, the R6 Mark II is one of the best mirrorless cameras available today. And finally, at number 1, we have the Sony A7 IV. And even in 2026, it continues to hold its position as one of the best all-around mirrorless cameras on the market. This camera features a 33 megapixel full-frame sensor, offering a great balance between resolution and low-light performance. It delivers sharp, detailed images for photography while still being highly capable for video work. Speaking of video, the A7 IV supports 4K recording at up to 60 frames per second, along with 10-bit color, making it a strong option for content creators and filmmakers. Sony's autofocus system is still among the best in the industry, with fast and accurate real-time tracking for eyes, faces, and subjects. It works incredibly well in both photo and video modes, which is a huge advantage for hybrid shooters. Battery life is another strong point, allowing for longer shooting sessions without constantly needing to recharge. And thanks to Sony's extensive lens ecosystem, you'll have access to a massive range of lenses at different price points. What really makes the A7 IV stand out is its versatility. It doesn't just excel in one area, it performs at a high level across photography, video, autofocus, and usability. If you want one camera that can do almost everything and do it well, the Sony A7 IV is still the best overall choice in 2026. So, which camera should you choose? If you want the best all-around performance, the Sony A7 IV remains the top pick. For video creators, the Canon R6 Mark II is an incredible option. If photography is your main focus, the Fujifilm X-T5 stands out with its resolution and color science. And if you prefer something compact and more affordable, the Sony A6700 is a fantastic choice. At the end of the day, the best camera is the one that fits your workflow, your budget, and your creative style. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to more camera reviews and tech content. And let me know in the comments, which mirrorless camera would you choose in 2026?